Welcome back to Destination Full-Time. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're starting out talking about water. That's right, water. The most important thing on the planet to sustain life is water. And with all the recent things in the news about microplastics being in water and causing dementia and all that kind of stuff, well, we don't have to worry about that because we have a water filter system, a 3-stage water filter system from Blu Technologies. And you may be asking, did they pay you to do this advertisement? No, it's not an advertisement because we have owned this for over a year. We bought and paid for it with our own money and we absolutely love it. We love being able to drink water right out of our tap. Today, we're gonna refresh these filters and put some new ones in and get it back connected and get ready to drink some clean water. All right, we've got this tool that comes with the system and we're just going to open up these filters. I'm gonna break them all free. And I want to show you today. We're going to show you how bad it is. Look at that. We should be changing these every quarter or every 3 months. We're a little over, and you can see how absolutely disgusting that is. And you can also see that there's even some sediment inside the filter container. So we're going to replace that. That's the longevity filter, or the first filter in the process. This is the 0.2 micron filter. You can see it's dirty. We're going to dump the water out of the canister. One more to go. This is the tasty filter, and you can see even it's showing signs of being dirty, especially in the middle. All right, guys, you can see the filters here, the dirty filters. One thing I want you to notice is that these seals came off with the canisters. We want to put those back up here. You can see one in the middle didn't come off. That's okay. We're just going to reset those back in here because we don't want any leaks after we replace the filters. All right, here's our filters. This is our first filter, which is the longevity. Make sure that the seals are tight, and they are. Look at the difference. Now what I like to do is go ahead and put this one on, stick it in there like this, upside down, and then we'll put this canister on, just like so. And hand tighten. Now for our next filter. This is our 0.2 micron filter. Again, look at the difference. Gonna set it down, put our canister on. Ring on. And our last but not least is the tasty filter. Because we all want that tasty, tasty water. See the difference? All right, tasty filter goes down. Canister goes over the top. Put the ring on. And tighten her down. Now we're going to flip her back around and tighten it up. Again, we're going to see these holes here and just snug them down. We don't want to over tighten, just snug them down just a little bit. And we're done. Now, the next step is we're going to go and connect this to the RV, and then we're going to come back and talk about what we're doing while it's flushing. And this is our supply line. It's going to go right in here and connect. And this is our outlet line. We're going to go right in here and connect. And you're probably saying, wow, those are really cool water connections. Yes, they are indeed. And you can get those from Blu Tech as well. And again, we actually bought those too. Now what we have to do is turn the water on and let it run at a trickle for a couple minutes to flush the filters. Did you see that black come out? Yep. We're just going to slow that down a little bit. And let that run to flush that filter out. These Blu Technology water filters are absolutely required to have clean drinking water, but you need the whole system. And you can get that, and you should get that, because we don't have to worry about our quality of water at all. This is now a normal maintenance item for us. So every 3 months, we have it on our calendar to do it. And when Julie's husband doesn't ignore that, we have water filters and clean water. And we're just gonna let this system flush for another couple minutes, and then we'll go inside and taste our tasty water. All right, we've let that water flush through the filter system. Now we're going to hook it up to our water softener and turn the water back on. Let's go see how our water tastes. Now I don't know if the camera is able to pick this up or not. This cup's a little dirty from my fingerprints, but there's absolutely nothing floating around in that cup. Now for the moment of truth. Smells clean and pure. That's some high quality H2O right there.
Now that's what I call high quality H2O.
In closing our water filter segment, I want to just say again, thank you to Blu Technologies. They did provide us with those new filters, and we absolutely love their system. We have the whole thing, the hoses, the water softener, and the water filtration system. It has worked great for us for well over a year now. We absolutely would not RV without it, and we don't have to use bottled water. And again, like I mentioned earlier, the things in the news that you're hearing about bottled water or bottled anything, you don't want to be messing around with, because when I'm 90, I still want to have it all up here and not from drinking bottled water and getting microplastics in my brain. Who knew? Anyway, we're able now to use our system right out of the tap, put our water in some water cups and jugs and Yeti cups and whatever you want, and we've got fresh, clean water all the time. So that's the end of this segment. Let's get on to the rest of the video. While in Ocala, we stayed at Southern Springs RV Resort, which was a fantastic place to unwind and enjoy the natural beauty of the area. One of the highlights of our trip was meeting up with friends at Ocala North RV Resort for some friendly pickleball matches, where we had a great time competing and laughing together. We also got to experience the local rodeo with Chris and Martha from Venturesome Couple, which was a thrilling and fun-filled evening. To top it all off, our old friends from Georgia joined us for more pickleball action and a delicious dinner, making the entire trip a perfect mix of adventure, sport, and good company.
Good first turn. Let's go for now. Coach, he is truly one of the best in this industry. You'll catch the Durango National Wildlife Rodeo. Top 5 in the special reactive dress active category. They'll be having it back in Las Vegas. 7 different turkey fighters, 8 times at the side. Gonna go to the horse. Now make a little noise.
Out. Does that count? Yeah, that counts. Good.
We sold our house along with almost everything we owned, and we packed up the RV to live a lifestyle on the road. Now we're free from sticks and bricks and that old life we used to know. Come and join on our adventures, all the places that we'll go. And living in the RV is sublime. Destination full time.